Om. Namaste. We will take up the seventh Siddhi, the Ishatvam. Ability to do any task, get any object, or any power like God is Ishatvam, or perfecting mastery over the subtle causes of the material world and bring the sadhaka or the native or the yogin at par with the divinity or at par with the God, whichever name you ascribe, or at par with the Creator, the Brahma himself. This is Ishatvam. It is keeping oneself in all ready state and also attain all the powers of the divinity in almost to be equivalent to the divinity itself, or ability to have all the powers what the divinity is having and attain all states and all things at your will, or the yogin is in a position to materialize anything from anything. These powers are Ishatvam. That is the reason when you see a divine person, you feel is Sakshat Ishvara, Sakshat Mahavatar Babaji, Sakshat Annai Nagalakshmi, Sakshat Devi Parvati, Sakshat Ishvara. I don't want to go to any temple, sir. But quickly and easily you can see this. The children or the elder being telling, no sir, I do not go to any temple. Morning I wake up and look at my mother's face. By seeing my mother's face, I have a feeling that I am fulfilled of having seen all the gods. I need not go to any temple. You would have heard. I would have uttered. You would have uttered. Many of us would have uttered it. What is the reason? Because towards a society or in a miniature form or in a very individualized form, a person has touched us or a person has touched the whole lot of society. The society respects a person so. How it is possible? Only it is possible only when our aura is expanded by virtue of our acts, by virtue of our performance for the people around us. Just by namesake, we cannot utter something and keep quiet. Action with awareness. We are with the struggling people. The gods look at us and God has to travel. Again, they cannot come and witness with us doing something good. So the gods make residence within us. By being a residence for the divinity, over a period of time, we become divinity. Divinity leaves all the belongings to Him, which is the entire universe itself, and makes the yogi the divinity and goes. This is how individual sacred persons are the persons with sacred thoughts, the persons with sacred performance, the persons with sacred duty, the persons who make others sacred, are the persons who make others to come to the sacred path, enjoy. They, over a period of time, these sacred persons will convert ordinary pebbles into diamonds. That means ordinary followers or disciples into individual, independent divinities. This is possible by the Siddhi of Ishatva. Ishatva is nothing but Ishvaratva. Ishvara inside. The whole of the universe conscious is within the sadhaka, within you, within me. When we are qualified for that, we are the vessel to hold the Ishatva. The vessel holding the Ishatva becomes Ishvara. We will meet in the next Siddhi Shakti tomorrow. Till then, Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.